This is the most easiest ways to actually use stereo shaper on your vocals. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process on how you can actually use stereo shapers in your mix. If this is your first time of watching video in my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out in our new video. With that being said, let's dive into my FL Studio and I'll show you everything step by step. So in my FL Studio, this is the song we are actually working on. Let's just get a listen to it.
Yeah, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear. Yeah, you be my own.
So what that is actually lacking on this music is that we don't have stereo shaper on it. And in this video, I'm going to use FL Studio stock stereo shaper. So you can easily use this if you are using FL Studio. Is I'm going to load into my mixer. And I load into my mixer, and I'm going to go to my main channel where my vocals is being brought to. So I will now load in the first FL Studio I'm going to use is what we call stereo shaper, a Fruity stereo shaper. So I'm just going to use the preset called stereo 3, stereoized 3. So let's just hear it.
Yeah, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear. Yeah, you be my own. Man can fight for you all day long. Yeah, say now you the ginger, girl, you the boss, my brain, oh. Now you the ginger me, girl, you know what I want to unbody, you go hold me down.
So that is it. So the next stereo shaper I'm going to show you is still the FL Studio stop plugin. I'm going to go to where we call. I'm going to go to studio. I'm going to come out this word that is called spreader. I'm going to add it. This is how it's going to.
Yeah,
You only come here to separate them. Let's see how it sounds.
yeah, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear. Yeah, you be my own. Man can fight for you all day long. Yeah.
As you can see, let's hear the before.
Yeah, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear.
Let's see after.
Yeah, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear.
Let me show you. Let's hear the Fruity stereo before.
Yeah, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear.
Let's hear after of the other one.
Yeah, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear.
That is all about stereo shaper. It's very easy as that. If you find this video helpful, please kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video, and I'm going to show you more FL Studio tips in this channel. So please stick around and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.